Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury sedans with the all-new 2024 Porsche Panamera. This isn't your average four-door, it's a machine that blends head-turning design, earth-shattering performance, and everyday practicality in a way that few cars can match. Exterior. Let's start with what catches your eye first, the exterior. For 2024, Porsche has given the Panamera a subtle refresh. It's sleeker, sharper, and even more confident than before. The wider air intakes and a more pronounced front grille scream power, while the new LED headlights add a touch of modern sophistication. It's an aggressive design that lets everyone know you mean business. Step inside the Panamera, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury. Porsche has crafted an interior that's both beautiful and functional. High-quality materials surround you, from the supple leather seats to the soft touch finishes. But this isn't just about comfort. Technology is seamlessly integrated, with a new Porsche driver experience concept that strikes a perfect balance between digital and analog controls. Everything you need is at your fingertips, allowing you to focus on the drive. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Panamera apart: its performance. With a range of engine options, from powerful V6s to the earth-shattering twin-turbo V8, this car is a thrill ride on wheels. Buckle up and experience heart-pounding acceleration that pushes you back in your seat. But the Panamera isn't just about brute force. Porsche engineering ensures exceptional handling, making every corner a joy to conquer. The 2024 Panamera isn't just a performance machine, it's a car for all occasions. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 adults, and the Sportback option offers additional cargo space for weekend getaways or family adventures. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the Panamera delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The 2024 Porsche Panamera is a car for those who demand the best. It's a statement piece that turns heads wherever you go. But beyond the beauty, it's a car that delivers exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury sedan that does it all, the 2024 Porsche Panamera is the car for you. If you're interested in learning more or scheduling a test drive, be sure to leave a comment below and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let me know what you think of the new Panamera in the comments. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.